Hello, in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to stake energy for IXT. So here in IX Foundation is this organization that allows you to stake IXT and your energy in exchange for rewards. So right now, in IX Foundation, there's different types of staking pool. Right now, I want to stake energy, so I want to go to energy staking pool. So um every single every single epoch or period, every single epoch meaning period, um each each epoch contains different timelines or time frames. And within those time frames, you are going to be able to receive um rewards. These are IXT rewards. You're gonna be able to receive daily IXT rewards that will accumulate over month. And by the end of the epoch or by the end of the period, you will be able to claim those rewards along with what you've staked before. Anyways, um, let I'll explain more later, but right now let's just get into how to do it exactly. So first of all, you're going to have to go to this website, IX Foundation Energy Staking. So if you don't know where to find this website, I'm gonna put it down in the link below so you guys can just click on it and it will bring you to this page. Also, and yeah, also once you're in this page, I want you to make sure that you have a MetaMask extension unlocked and logged in. So you can find your MetaMask extension over here in this little section. If you're unable to find it, it looks like a fox, and if you're unable to find it here, it might be hiding somewhere. So if you see like a little puzzle piece, click on that. Wait, sorry, no. If you see a little like, puzzle piece, you can click on that, and then it will show you. Usually, when you click on this puzzle piece, it will show you on the extensions that you have, and you'll be able to locate MetaMask. But if MetaMask is showing over here, then it's okay. So anyways, just make sure you have your MetaMask unlock and log in. So if you have your MetaMask over here, if you click on it, just make sure you're logged in and then you unlock it, you enter your password, and then once you're logged in, um, it will allow you to connect your MetaMask to this website, and then you can see your assets here, like here. Anyways, so go to this website, open your MetaMask, log in, unlock it, and have it connected. And once you have it connected, then we are ready to go. So just go down, right? So you're in this website, and then you open your MetaMask, and then you unlock it, you log in with your password, and then you will be able to connect it. And then it will show like this. And then just refresh your page. Maybe if it's not working. So refresh your page, like click over here, wait a little, and then go down. And down, when you go down, you will be able to see something like energy for IXT. So this is where we're going to stake our energy in our IXT. So I want to stake my IXT with my energy. So I'm gonna click on stake, and then over here you can see IXT energy. So begin with staking IXT the same amount in energy to start earning. So IXT over here, I wanna stake 1,000 IXT with 1,000 energy, let's say. So just when you stake, make sure you have enough IXT and make sure you have enough energy. And the amount of IXT that you're gonna stake must be the same amount of energy you're gonna stake. They must be the same. So right now, for example, I want to stake 1,000 IXT. So I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna put 1,000. Sorry, 1,000. So over there, I'm gonna click I have read, understand, and I'm gonna stake it. Okay? So we're gonna stake our IXT first. Next, we're gonna stake our energy. So just do this. Just wait until it tells you that it is successful. Yeah. And now we're gonna confirm it in our MetaMask wallet. If your MetaMask wallet's not showing, just click on your MetaMask extension and sign in, confirm it. So let's wait. Okay, done. Transaction success. Great. So now we can stake our energy. So over here we've staked 1,000, but there were 27 in there before, but I just added 1,000. So now let's stake our energy. So over here again, I'm gonna do this again. So right now we have 1,027 IXT stake. So before actually there was already 27 IXT stake there, and I stake 1,000, so it's now 1,027. So we have to stake the same amount of energy. We need to stake 1,027 as well. So let's click on stake over here, and then over here it says IXT. Now let's go to energy because we've already staked our IXT. Now let's go to energy. So now we're also gonna stake 1,027. Sorry, 1,027. 1,027 energy. Yeah. And then we're gonna say I have red, and we're gonna stake it, and we're gonna let MetaMask pop up, and then we're gonna have to confirm it. Okay, transaction submitted successfully. Now let's just wait. It's better to wait and just let it load. Oh, it failed. Something happened. Hold on. So sometimes stuff like this happens, so just reload your page again. Okay. I'm just gonna reload my page right now. There we go. I'm gonna let it load. Okay. I might have to reload it again because it's taking a bit long. Okay, there we go. So now it's done loading. Now we can stake our energy again. So go stake energy and then 1,027 because it has to be the same amount. I have red. Hold on. Let me load this again. I'm just gonna check my MetaMask extension. Okay. Stake again. Energy. Okay, now let's take 1,027. Right. I have read and understand and agree to the terms of service. Down. Then we can now confirm it. Okay, transaction submitted successfully. So now let's wait for it to process. And let's wait for, there we go, transaction successful. Our transaction is successful. So now we have successfully staked 1027 IXT with our 1027 energy. So that's good. And hold on, you guys. Just hold on. Wait a minute. Okay, and guys, that is how you stake your energy with your IXT in IX Foundation. This is how you do it. I'll put all of the details down below and the necessary links or resources that you need so that it will make your life easier. Okay, if you've liked this video and learned and it was helpful, please refer this video to someone else. Give this video a thumbs up and our other videos as well. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you have any suggestions or help need, put it down in the comment so we can respond and have you guys help out. Okay, bye bye. This is it for this channel, for this video. Okay.